Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, come back again to my YouTube channel with the same video with the content about my achievement of extensive reading. However, this is the last video about that. Okay, the last video I want to share the summary of the 10 article which I had reviewed before. However, I just want to share about the general problems, purpose, and the result of what the article or what the article find in each article. And the most article which I choose are about the communicative language teaching or CLT method. Okay, let me share. Okay, the first article, the title is Using Communicative Language Teaching to Develop Speaking Skill Problems, Instructional Material, and Implication. Yeah, and the writer is Muhrafi'i. The article from Journal Technological, Social, Economic, and Education Science. The general problems, is about in speaking in the EFL context can cause a lot of disadvantage to EFL students. The purpose of this article is to investigate the problem EFL students have and develop speaking skill by designing instructional material in speaking classroom activities through adopting CLT principle. Then this study is to see implication in teaching speaking for Indonesian EFL students. Then the author finding that with implementing CLT can improve student speaking skill. EFL students are motivated to speak English fluency and actively without worrying about their prejudices and difficulties because communication with less grammatical correct and not native English pronunciation but understandable are acceptable in CLT. The title of the second article, is Encouraging Student Speaking Skill Using Communicative Language Teaching Method. The writer is Jessica Lumi. The article from Journal of Education of English Language and Literature Teaching. The general problem. In the third semester at the university, students still have difficulty when they use English in their daily lives. Then the author is interested research in which student will be taught in a different method than they were taught. A method that make a lesson more communicative, interactive, and can increase their skill English better. The purpose of this article to know whether or not the student who are taught speaking using CLT get a higher score than those who are not. Then the finding of this article is the experimental group 2 were taught according to communicative language teaching principle achieve higher score than the control group who were not taught according to communicative language teaching principle. We can see that the use of the communicative language teaching method is effective in encouraging students' speaking skill. Then the third article is Communicative Language Teaching in the Context of Online Learning, a Literature Review. The writer is Wendy Teh. The journal of this article is International Journal of TESOL and Education. The general problem is about online pedagogy that teachers should survive in an online situation to still have effective learning in class online. Then the author provide a study into the use of the communicative language teaching method in the context of synchronous online learning. The purpose of the study is to answer the question of the current status of CLT instruction and what are some useful approach to teaching CLT virtually. The result of this study show that there are some applicable benefit to online learning of using communicative language teaching or CLT method online. CLT approach such as computer-mediated learning are an asynchronous nature and are suitable for collaborative activities or learning who may feel shy to speak in class. Yeah. In the fourth article, the title is the impact of the implementation of CLT on student speaking skill. Then the writer Surajwaran Magaleswaran and Azlina Abdul Aziz. The article from International Journal of Scientific and Research Publication. The general problem is English teachers have faced circumstances in which students are unwilling or unable to communicate effectively in English, and majority of students are shy and choose to remain silent in the classroom. Then the purpose of this article is to determine the effectiveness of implementing CLT in improving student speaking skill on to recognize the method for implementing CLT to improve student speaking skill. The result of this study show a slight increase in the student overall speaking skill after CLT implementation. Teachers and students despite vast knowledge on CTL in implementation is disturbed due to the lack of facilities and focus on exam. It was found that students still lack appropriate word and grammar during the speaking practice. Then the fifth article is about the effectiveness of using communicative language teaching approach or CLT in developing student speaking skill from a teacher's perspective. The writer are Taha Abdelmajid and Muhammad Ali Ahmed Omar. The article from European Journal of English Language Teaching. The general problem is about the issue the private teachers from applying the CLT strategy, and then the intended of the study was to determine the impact of using the CLT and to examine the impact of this method on the target group's speaking ability. The major findings of this article are that using CLT increases student speaking skill and motivated them to talk eloquently. The majority of participants agree that there is an effective factor that blocks teachers using a communicative approach to developing student speaking capabilities. Then, the sixth article. The article has titled CLT in English Language Teaching, an investigation into the present condition of urban primary school in Bangladesh. The writer are Sahala Khanam and Muhammad Azizul Hoku. Journal of this article is Journal of Emerging Trends in Educational Research and Policy Student. And general problem of this article is about the condition of students' lack of communication in English skill, especially students in ESL or EFL country. Then the purpose of this article is to explore the scenario of CLT implementation in elementary school English classroom and to investigate the challenge in implementing the approach, and to know how much communicative language teaching approach is being implemented in English language teaching at the primary level. The finding of this article is indicate that CLT is not as implemented here as expected by the approach. They show that classrooms are still teacher certain, learning are not well engaged, fluency is still out of concern, and classroom tasks are not communicative, and they lack of facilities to support CLT. Then the seventh article. The article of this article is the title is improving not measured student fluency in the English speaking skill in the online environment via MS Team. The writer are Taj T. Gojpan and Duyen T. Nuhuin. The article from Advanced in Social Science, Education, and Humanities Research. The general problem is about the challenge for EFL teacher to teach and speaking skill for non-major students in an online environment with large class size, who they also should build the student fluency capability inside the online environment. The purpose of this research is to look into English speaking challenge in the online environment in terms of international and concentration of the relationship in the student speaking fluency. Then the result of the article is student interact better with teachers and even in large class. As a result, MST method increase motivation and concentration. Improvement in these people will improve students with smooth language performance. Then the H article. The title of the article is investigating the effect of noting on EFL student speaking accuracy. The writer are Hussein Nafidinia and Mohsen Mobaraki and Farzahan Malek Zadeh. The article from International Journal of Instruction. The general problem of this article is many people want to learn English as their second language, especially for communication. However, the article mentioned that many EFL learners feel it is not easy to learn speaking skill. The purpose of this article is to determine the effect in speaking accuracy of English as an foreign language, and to know if noticing can significantly decrease the number of their speaking error. From this investigation of research, the finding of the article is EFL learners in the experimental group have a number of lower error in post-test compared with control group that confirm a positive effect to pay attention to effective EFL student speaking accuracy. The ninth article. The article has title EFL student perception and attitudes toward using communicative activities in CLT classroom. The writer are Ali Razolu, Oktay Yagis, and article comes from Sunlux International Journal of Education. The general problem area of this research is about EFL learner and even not native EFL teachers that get some difficult in the learning and teaching process. The purpose of the research is to investigate the effectiveness of the communicative language teaching or CLT method in speaking class. Then the finding of this research is that the effectiveness of the speaking class because the students were quite satisfied with their speaking ability after the intervention. There were statistically significantly different in student perception and attitude toward the use of communicative activities. The activities of communicative language teaching, their speaking ability gradually was improved. Yeah. Then the last article, the 10th article. The title of the last article is Factor Effective the Application of Communicative Language Teaching in Syrian School. The writer of Mustafa Amzai and Hussein Al-Akras. The article comes from Journal of TESOL and Technology Study. The general problem is about the obstacle and problem facing EFL teachers in teaching English. One is that the practice of speaking and communicative is still lacking in Syrian education institution, and therefore to improve student ability to speaking in English. The CLT approach of teaching learning in highly encouraged. Then the purpose of this research is to investigate the college that affect the application of CLT in public school in Syrian and to propose CLT as solution to teaching English challenge in Syrian school. The finding of this research show that teacher-related challenges in the educational system include a lack of tools, a huge class size, and an unconscious curriculum. Finally, there are problems associated with CLT, such as a lack of effective and efficient assessment instrument and teaching material. Okay, in my point of my video about all article, that's all of the article have same issue. They are about lack of student ability in English skill, especially in EFL student. Then the communicative language teaching method like the solution of this problem. That's make the writers of the articles that I share investigate how effective this method. Then many of the results tell the CLT method can help the students to improve their ability in English skill, even though there are several obstacles in implementing this method. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you for you guys who watch this video. See you in the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.